In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your software stack in ClickUp. This powerful project management tool can streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Let's dive in and get started on how you can optimize your software stack efficiently with ClickUp. First, make your way to ClickUp's website. It's a versatile platform where software, AI, and humans converge to maximize productivity. If you're unfamiliar with ClickUp, don't worry. It's designed to be intuitive and accessible for users of all levels, so you'll find it easy to navigate. Once you're on ClickUp's homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Click on Login and proceed by entering your credentials to access your personal dashboard. If you've set up single sign-on, or your browser remembers your login details, you might see an option to continue as yourself. Simply click on Continue, and you'll be taken directly to your workspace. Now that you're logged in, look for the plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your ClickUp environment. Clicking this icon brings up a menu featuring various options, one of which is Templates. Templates are predefined structures within ClickUp that help you quickly set up new projects without starting from scratch. Click on Templates. Once you're in the Templates section, you'll need to search and select the software project template. This template is specifically tailored to help organize your software stack, providing a structured approach to managing your software projects efficiently. It's a great time saver and ensures consistency across your projects. After selecting the software project template, you'll see a button that says Use Template. Click on this button to apply the template to your workspace or project. This step is crucial as it automatically populates your project with all the necessary components, saving you substantial setup time. Next, you'll want to choose where within ClickUp to use this template. Look for Team Space and click on it. This organizes your project within your dedicated team space, allowing for better collaboration and visibility across your team. Once you've set the template in the appropriate team space, click on Use Template once again to finalize the setup. Now is when the real organization begins, starting with the conceptualization phase. You'll click on this phase to plan out the conceptual aspects of your project. To assist in visualizing timelines and dependencies, click on Conceptualization Gantt. The Gantt view in ClickUp provides a detailed timeline, allowing you to manage scheduling efficiently. As your project progresses, it's essential to map out the development stage. Clicking on Development will help you transition from planning to actual execution. This section is where tasks are assigned and tracked as your project takes shape. Finally, don't forget about the marketing and sales phase. By clicking here, you ensure that your software project is not only developed well, but also delivered effectively to your target market. By following these steps, you'll have a well-organized software stack in ClickUp, ready to boost collaboration and drive your projects to success. Thank you for following along, and happy organizing.